Alright guys, update on the car. Slow progress, but it's getting there. Exhaust is all in. I'm running Dynatech split flow mufflers. And then I have a Jegs universal kit. It was on the car before when I had hooker headers and a small block in it. So I had to twist them around to make them fit. It works. I'll eventually upgrade to something different eventually, but it works for now. The Driveshaft, I had a buddy make me that at Hartmans Driveshaft up in Reading. If you're local or in the area, have them build you a Driveshaft. Great work, great guy. Speed Engineering headers, they fit good. ICT belt tensioner, Billet speed alternator bracket. Not much left to do. Pretty much put the radiator in, fill up all the fluids, finish plugging in the harness. I guess I'll give you an update when it's running. All right.